tell me when it's going.
Going.
Alright. I felt that.
So did I.
Holy shit. Holy shit.
It moved your cinder block. That's where.
Oh my god. A fucking pill bottle blew up too.
Oh, there's your flyer.
Alright.
Shit, it's focused, unfocused. There you go.
You ready?
Yep. Missed.
Are you sure? I don't see it anymore.
Pretty sure you missed. What I meant is you.
So it didn't go off. Hey, it's still standing. Hit it.
You ain't standing.
Well, it's standing sideways.
What the fuck?
Whoa. Guess that's it, huh?
Yeah.
Turn the safety on before you set it on the table. What will we get?
Come on.
That sucked.
That sucked. That sucked worse. This is the worst Tannerite I've ever seen.
By the way, that shit is great at starting fires. Got a fire that won't burn, just light a fucking road flare and throw it in the burn barrel, and you'll have a hot fire soon enough. You can put completely wet shit in there. It'll dry it out for you. Oh, that's getting bright.
I think it's actually not even plastic. Tannerite.
Mayday, mayday, we need help. Oh shit, but the fuck?
Tanner wrong. Look, it's Tanner wrong. It's burning.
It just took a millennium to start igniting.
Oh, Tanner wrong. Tanner wrong. I'm gonna go lick it. Oh, we're burning the shit in the bottom now. Oh, pretty. If only we knew where most of the Tannerite spill was.
Oh wait, it's actually, I was going to try and turn the flare around, but I guess it's going to burn from the other end too. Okay. Let's see if I have any more Tannerite before going on.
Ah, it's melting my eyes to look at it.
Holy shit, the flare's giving out.
I didn't do shit.
Oh my god, it's so fucking bright though.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Yeah, me too. Ah, I see spots. Holy shit. It is gone Chernobyl. Get out of here, stalker. Get out of here, stalker. Nothing to see here, stalker. No fun, this is duty.
Alright, drop this retard.
Get out of here, retard. Yeah, pretty. It's like sparklers. It's like the fucking 4th of America Day. 'Cause it is. I'm going to piss on it.
You suck.
I'm just making it last longer.
Yeah, until it actually goes out, which is instantaneously.
Yeah, watch this. I'll put this right here. Now we're cooking. Sparkles.
You can hop into your truck and start riding, but there ain't no hiding from Boogaloo Biden. He's got them F-15s and nukes and he's about to try them. Knock on my door with that armor ladder hook. You got your armor tied, my crank up just might harm your mind. And no, it is not that's fine, and you cannot have what is mine. No, not this time, not anytime. This is not how we fucking do it. Try to take my shit and I'll make you leak out all your fluid. And I'm American, so I know that I got my constitution. Try to step on my rights and I will die before I lose them. 10-inch crank, 10-inch crank. You won't find my shit at the bottom of a creek. Cause surrender is weak, and I don't give a shit. Fuck oops, I mean shit, of which you try to take, you'll get hit, bitch. Fuck the ATF, fuck the ATF. Fuck the ATF, bitch, fuck the ATF. Fuck the ATF, fuck the ATF. Fuck the ATF, bitch, fuck the ATF. Yeah, what I just realized, I fuck you know what's on my mind. I hope that you don't comply, cause they're gonna fucking take your life. Give her an inch, they're gonna go a mile. Look at the world ran about, these fucking pedophiles. Got you on the throne of doubt, cause you can't take it. No, you can't handle it. Mentally breaking, but I can, fuck. Freestyle.